Most creators complicate themselves. They can simply be talking to the people that are watching their profile. Those are the people that are most likely to be interested in your service. How often are you reaching out to them? Are you connecting with them or sending them messages? Let's see this graph, right? The three levels of intent for outreach. People love to go out on LinkedIn and search for companies hiring. They complicate themselves with when in the end, the people that are most likely to get your service are people who are liking your posts, who are commenting on your posts, who are viewing your profile, people who download your lead magnet, or people who follow you. Just as simple as that. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can turn this list of followers, how you can extract data from it, the different ways you can do that, and how you can turn that into LinkedIn automation sequences utilizing Botdog as the platform that will be able to send these campaigns. I already got one campaign sending to 500 of my most recent followers, and in this video I'm going to walk you through every small detail. Start with why should you connect with LinkedIn followers to begin with, right? And the way I look at it is like imagine B2C ad retargeting, right? Like whenever you get into a website or whenever you search something on Google and then like products start appearing to you, that should also apply to B2B. If you are watching someone's profile, if that person connects with you, you're very much more likely to start a conversation, to watch their profile again, to get interest on their product. So let's fill in the gap for different scenarios, right? So let's see this different scenarios on where it can be useful. For instance, if you're a VC and you're sourcing for startup founders, then you can extract prospects that are following the partner's network. If you're a salesperson, you can extract prospect leads. If you're a recruiter, you might extract US talent that is fitting precisely what you're looking for, right? And then these go through a process of enriching and qualification so you can decide which are worth starting conversations with, right? Like which should you talk to? Then you can take them into outreaching on LinkedIn or finding their emails and then outreaching via Smart Lead or via other automation platforms, right? Now, let's see this process on the most basic scenario. If you wanted to extract your followers and then run a campaign to connect with them. Let's do this. First step, how can you extract your followers, right? Because LinkedIn does not provide an export, you need to get them through other sources like scraping. There's a few ways to do scraping. I've been doing it for more than 3 years. I worked in a company which main value prop was to do web automation and scraping. So I'll just walk you through what are the best options for this currently. First one, utilize Botdog's campaign builder. If you go into LinkedIn, you can actually, and people don't know this, but you can actually find people who are following a specific profile. You can actually search here, for instance, Jaime or Ivan, my own profile, and you can see who are the followers. Now, LinkedIn won't show you all of them, but this is still a lot of information that you can pull from LinkedIn. And these are LinkedIn search queries, which you can go into Botdog and start a campaign and utilize the LinkedIn search URL import. So you can actually scrape data from those LinkedIn URLs. That is one option, but there's some limits to this one because Botdog will have, well, your cookies, and you should not try to scrape more than 200 to 500 profiles per day. You can still do some workarounds like changing the locations so you have small queries, and so you can collect multiple queries and then scrape them every day, right? And at the end of those, you will be able to build a bigger list of the followers. Now, let's dive into a second option. The second option is Bardeen. Bardeen will allow you to get as much as your computer allows on the active browser. Let's see this GIF. The way this works is you open a Bardeen automation and you run it to scrape your LinkedIn followers. You select, for instance, the spreadsheet that you want to save these profiles on, select how many items you want to scrape, then you run the automation, for instance, here for 500, and then Bardeen from your browser itself will start scraping and going through that list. Now, because you might have thousands of followers, and this is running on your computer, there might be a point where either Bardeen stops or maybe your computer resources are not enough, because trying this for more than 3,000 of profiles, it's less likely to work. But if you have a really good computer, you can also utilize this approach to scrape profiles from Bardeen itself. If you need this template, let me know. I'll be open to sharing it with you. Now, this, on my best tests, allowed me to get 500 of my most recent profiles that were following me. Now, I think the most scalable and faster way to do this is with TextAU. So this is an up and coming platform. It's very new in the market, and it also allows you to do this type of LinkedIn automations to extract information from multiple parts of the platform. One of those is getting profile followers. They actually have an existing spice, that's how they call their like playbooks, their automation templates, that allows you to scrape LinkedIn followers. And once you create an account, you can use the trial. You will need to get your LinkedIn cookie and put it inside the spice. You can get the cookie relatively easy by just following a tutorial, and then input how many profiles you want to scrape. You can get up to a maximum of 5,000. Now the process here was just very simple. It took me a few seconds and it got all my followers, because I have 4.5 currently. So it was able to scrape everything. Now if you have more than 5K, your case might be a bit different. And in those cases, you might need a bit more custom automation building, which there's still ways to do it. I have done it for clients that have 30 to 50K, but there is no easy way after this. So after 5,000, it'll get a bit more messy. Yet, the sake of this automation is to leverage the people that are following you recently, so you can outreach with them. So it doesn't really make sense if you go and outreach someone that you followed you 3 years ago. So the way you would run this is you put the cookie, you set the number of followers, and then this will extract those followers. Let me show you an example of how many it got from me. 4.5K, and it got me information about name, first name, profile URL, profile picture, headline. And with this information on itself, it's very powerful because I have a list of people that are following me, and I can enrich this and qualify it. My agency, we do a bit one step further, right? Like we take this information, we scrape it, we qualify it to find prospect leads for you, and then you will have a curated list of companies that you can then go and outreach. And then last step, once you have that curated list of people that you want to communicate with, that you want to send a message to, basically took that CSV that TextAU provided to me and then placed it on Google Drive. Here's my most recent 500 followers, which it's great momentum for me to send them a connection request and send them a message. So I do recommend Botdog has a great blog for this. They have some tips on how to send those invitations. And for most of the times, if you don't have a clear message in mind, just don't send the message at all. The conversion rates will also be pretty good. Now, once you have that list, it'll be as easy as just coming into starting a new campaign on Botdog. Creating an account on Botdog will take you honestly less than 5 minutes. It's super fast. And once you have your LinkedIn connected, which you can connect via your own password or via cookies, you can now start a campaign and just upload a CSV. You need to get that CSV of contacts, import it into this. This will allow you to map those columns to Botdog and the information that they need. So for instance, here we have full name, first name. It automatically identifies the columns as well. Now, next step, and that's it. Once I hit import data, this will then to ask me, what do I want to do with these people? Do I want to just send the connection requests or send them a message, right? So if you have a LinkedIn premium account, you can send a custom note. If you don't, then you can just send a request. We are just going to set up a send connection request, and I'm going to set it up as voila. We have here a connection message request. So, hey, first name, I saw you recently followed me and I wanted to break the ice. Any project or automation you're curious about? It's simple, it has a good reason to connect, and that's about it. I don't really have more in depth information to customize these deeper. But this information you can get it if you enrich the profiles, right? Like if you gather more information from their LinkedIn profile, like which companies they're working at, the industry they're at. So all of this information can allow you to make better messages as well. Now, I think this on itself is simple and it's great starting point for me to launch that campaign, and then this will automatically set up that campaign for all those 500 followers. And to be honest, Botdog is super simple to use. A great alternative for other up and coming tools for LinkedIn automation. I think this might be the easiest one to get started with compared to other tools that have like complex campaign builders and stuff. I think this one is just very simple. So to wrap up, we discovered why LinkedIn followers matter and what would be a process that you can follow to gather those LinkedIn followers, what are the tools that you can use to achieve this, and how you can automate the process of sending those connection requests to the people that are following your profile. And as I said at the beginning, this is almost a no brainer way to connect with your prospects or with your following. So use it wisely and good luck automating.